Hello everybody, this is Forest Angel, your radio navigator. We are in dock, so you can see they are cleaning the propeller and the rudder at the moment. Let's have a look. This is the log gate. Yesterday we measured the rudder and propeller measurements. Now they are doing the sandblasting. It's very dirty. Here you can see the ICCP and low and higher sea chest. So our lady is on blocks. You can see how old and but very strong blocks. I must count how many blocks actually just to see. Okay, let's have a look how they cover the echo sound transducers. Okay, this is very important when you are in dock. Have a look before sandblasting. So they put some metal plate and like some epoxy there. So after echo sound transducer is well protected for blasting and for painting. So here you can clearly see the bilge keel reducing the rolling.
Straightforward. Yeah, it's already gone.
This cycle round one is the ICCP electrodes. You can see we are doing some repairs and maintenance on our thruster. They are doing some sandblasting. We lower the chains. Tomorrow using the cranes they will upload. I mean they will arrange the chain and they will start painting. Sorry for the shaky video. From the bow, very nice. You can see how they sandblast. Gray area is fully sandblast and red is still in progress, just only wash. Soon she will have a new cloth. Currently we are doing some steel maintenance also.